in on that.
Yeah, one thing I've been learning is I'm getting deeper into cloud, and I'm noticing like it's beautifully done. Like the
Mhm.
whole how they do a have AZs,
Yeah.
different zones for
Mhm.
cloud.
Mhm.
It's almost I think that in order to have more robust technology, you have to use cloud. It's
Oh,
just a smarter way to do things.
cheaper
The
too,
way
and a lot of stuff cheaper too.
you have a region,
Mhm.
and each region has a different, and those AZs are like within the same region.
Yeah.
So it's perfect for disaster recovery. So if you're in, I don't know, East Coast or something, you might have one system in New York and one in New England or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Where if this one goes down, you can automatically transfer your functions to the other one. And you have to do cloud. Like the more I'm learning about it, the more I'm like, damn, this is way smarter on how
Mhm.
to do things.
Yeah.
But as far as like having the ports become 100% automated, or even I think even 80%, I think it's too much. But we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, on that, you 100%. What Amazon does is when you're in a region, if you got multiple AZs, they're 150 miles away. What they did, I thought was incredible, was each AZ has their own electric company, their own water company, and their own telecom. So every now and then, a region goes out. So I just flow it over to a whole nother region in the Midwest. And the
Right.
cool thing is, those AZ, I actually put systems in each AZ. It's got milliseconds. So when you go over, you load balance. So if one AZ goes down, it automatically uses the other ones because you can load balance between the AZ with a click of a button. So I got 3 web servers in each AZ. If one AZ goes down, it just starts using the other two and mark the other one as unhealthy. And you can do that with 4 clicks. That's things I've been doing from an architecture standpoint and from a DR standpoint. And I talked a little bit about that in the cloud. But yeah, I gotta look up that what it's a data center. I don't know what the official word. I gotta look it up myself. It's a data center, but I gotta look up what the actual term is.